So how do you block messages on the Android phone? Let me talk about it and explain how you could approach this. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so the messages can be used through any of your available message clients. So for example, you can use the Google one or Samsung Messages app, but let's say I'm going to get inside the Samsung or Google one, right? I'm going to be able to see so many options and so many people which I may have interacted with in the past. And I get to manage those specific conversations like this, right? So I get some more options in here and I can tap on the person at the top like this. And I have the ability to block it or report it as a spam, right? So I have the ability to kind of like disable the notifications and block it in the sense that it's not going to be delivered, or I can report spam and make sure that that contact doesn't really get in touch with me anymore. So that would be one way of blocking the messages. On the other hand, you can set up also what's called modes and routines. So when you get inside your settings app, you will have the ability to find, as I said, the modes and routines, and you can set up a specific one, for example, for work or relax, whatever. But let's say I'm going to pick work as an example. I will have the ability to choose what actually happens when I enable it. So for me, I'd like to use the do not disturb mode when this focus mode is turned on. And it just means that I get to decide what gets through. So I can decide that, for example, calls are not going to be allowed, or all of them, favorites only, whatever. But I can also see the messages at the bottom. And I can as well decide that no messages are going to go through during the work focus period. Once I turn it off, the phone gets back to the normal state. And this is the case that a lot of people are happy about, because you will have the ability to basically restrict the notifications and even seeing the messages to begin with. So that might be something which you are actually interested in. Outside of that, you can as well just go to the notifications menu and go to the messages and literally disable notifications of any sorts. So you are still going to be like getting messages, but you will never know about them. So I guess that would be another alternative as well. So let me know if you found actually what you were looking for. I would really love to hear your feedback below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads.